Here's the GoPro Hero 10 and the question is how to watch the photos or videos that were captured on this camera. So to watch the photos or videos, simply swipe up, from down up. And there's one video, there's the second video, third video, fourth video. You can use that one in the corner, those 9 dots, and you can see the videos from here also. You can tap that one and you can select all of them. So back, tap it once to select it one by one, or tap it once again to select all of them, and you can delete them if you want. Delete files permanently. No media. So swipe up to see what's there and swipe down to exit.